today we're going to put together an end cap and just show how simple it is. So we've got here a wire clip, an end cap and a body tube. The body tube has a flat section top and bottom and round sections left and right. The end cap also has a north marker on one of the flat sections. If we place that into the body tube so it all lines up, we're then ready to put the wire clip on. We simply push it over the side and then stretch it over the end cap as shown. To take the end cap off, we press a finger up against the wire clip on the side with the north marker. We then take a finger where the gap is, push one edge of the wire clip out and lift it off at the same time.
For more information, please visit our website or our social media pages. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you again.